Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A11 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's move to this button, the second from the right. When we tap here, we can change aspect ratio of this camera. We are in 3:4 ratio, let's pick 9:16, and now as you can see the background has changed to the longer one. Another tap to this button and we can pick also 1:1 ratio, so this is the square one. And when we pick here once again, we can go also to the full one, so now we have the full camera frame. And of course when we pick this once again, we can easily go back to 3:4, the original one. And that's all, this is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.